Welcome to SpiceCandies. Today we're making strawberry jam. Nice, rich, and sadly not as thick as I wanted it to be, because I had planned it for only candy making, and it's actually a regular jam. Our jam now is at 70 degrees Celsius, and we can pour it into a jar. I happen to have a jar. I used one, of course. And I'll just pour it off. You can see it's really red, and I'm not using any dyes whatsoever. I don't think food dyes deserve the name food in front of the dye. It's just a chemical, and we don't need them. As you can see, we have a lovely rich red color, and this will turn the candies into a lovely pink color in turn. Alright, our jam is ready. Really hot. And we're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This jam, once it cools, will be rock solid, and we can use it for candies. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a sweet day.